Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the phone's hotspot so your computer can see it. On your phone, open the hotspot or tethering menu and toggle it on. This shares mobile data over Wi-Fi. Make sure you pick a secure password and note the hotspot SSID so you can identify it on your computer. Choose WPA2 or a newer security mode to protect data. Once done, check signal strength and data plan limits because connecting multiple devices can consume bandwidth quickly. On your computer, open the Wi-Fi menu and find the hotspot SSID you just created. Click Connect and enter the password exactly as shown on the phone. Capitalization matters. After connecting, set the network profile to private or home if you want device discovery, and confirm the computer obtained an IP address, usually via DHCP from the phone. If you need internet sharing for wired devices, enable internet connection, sharing in network settings. Make sure the computer firewall permits outbound traffic to use the connection. Finish by testing connectivity. Open a browser or ping a reliable IP like 8 to confirm packets flow. If pages don't load, turn the phone hotspot off and on, then reconnect the computer. That often resets DHCP. Make sure the phone's mobile data is actually active and that your carrier allows tethering. Some plans block it or require an APN change. If performance is poor, move the phone closer to the computer, reduce competing connections, and retry after restarting both devices for a clean state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.